Hey guys, Mr. Nobody here, and today I have a set. It's Lego City Demolition Service Truck, and I don't remember how many pieces there are, or what the number was. Sorry about that. But I do know that's what it's called, the Lego City Demolition Service Truck. Oh, and up there in the corner. Up at the top. That's my new logo. That's the same me. Yeah. So, let's get right into the review. First, I'm going to show you the minifigures down here. Okay, so guys, I'm back. Probably like it do the second thing. Not even a second. There you go. They do have the super default clothing, construction worker clothing. That hat right there, those earmuffs, those actually are different plastic. They're actually molded in, so like you can't take them off. There are other pieces where you can take them on and off. Here, it's just a regular construction worker torso too. This guy's wearing overalls. He's got a belt with his little ruler. He's got a pen there. Yep. Nothing too fancy. Yeah. So I want to get to the porta potty. It's really, really funny. Here you go. Special delivery. Whee! Okay. Here it is in all of its glory. Deep porta potty. Did I already show this? Nope. What am I thinking? Here is the toilet in here. You can actually fold it up or down. It's actually attached to the back. Toilet paper roll and the flusher button. You can actually fit a minifigure in there. I don't think I'll demonstrate, but if I can get this off. These are new stickers. Brand new. Not really brand new. This set is old. I asked them at the Lego store, they go, "Oh no, that set's really, really old." I go, "Well, I've been looking on Amazon and they haven't." Yeah, because that's really old. You couldn't find a lot of old Lego sets. Actually, they have all the Lego sets at the store. I'm like, alright. So yeah, I couldn't get it there, but I found it online, so yay! All of the walls are each stuck together like that. This one, I just showed you. I'll do this one for you too. Okay, I can't. You get it though. Come back over here. Oh, here it comes. There they go. Well, guys, I kind of need you I need to show everybody what you look like. There he is. There you go. Yep. So as you saw, the porta potty, and you can actually use this. You can use this crane right here to actually pick the porta potty up. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, I just burped. Whip. Pan over to that side. And there, now they can lift it. There. You can actually, if I can do this. Come on. Silly crane hook. There you go. Then you can actually lift it up and move it. How cool is that? I thought that was awesome. You could just move it around wherever you want. But crane, lower down for me. Please go back to your original position. Well, there you go. Thank you, Mr. Crane Hook. I appreciate you doing that for me. And yeah. Thank you, Mr. Crane Hook. Yeah, so let me show you the actual truck itself. Sorry, I know it's a long review, but there you go. I mean, it's actually, I bet it's based off of some truck. So these mirrors actually don't reflect. They're just mirrors. You got these doors. The doors are on the side. You can't actually put minifigures. Well, you could, but that would be really hard. You would take the top off and put them in, like every single Lego car. You can actually fold these down. You just gotta push these pieces back down. These are pieces I actually have not seen, so these are a little new to me. Yeah, you can do that on both sides. I'm not gonna fold all of them down because it just takes forever. I'm just gonna flip them upside down for that, like that. You got a trash can, a dumpster, whatever you call it, wherever you live. You got this, which operates the crane. 2 little barricades, jackhammer, which goes to the guy in the construction outfit. He can go to anybody if you really. And you got a fire extinguisher. That's what that's supposed to be, I think. You got a shovel right there, and a broom. You got your light bars. So, I mean, nothing super fancy. Once again, fancy. I guess that's where you would fill your gas up. Or diesel or whatever it runs on. I don't know. Here's the tow hook ball. So yeah, I mean, I don't have really annoying questions for it. I do not like that you can just square and you can see it through there. That's a little bit annoying. Yeah, otherwise I really like it. I like the stairs on here. You can just climb up and go like this. Sorry for that. Sorry for the interruption. Yep. Oh, here's the set number for you. On the license plate, 60073. That's probably the thing, because on the trailer it says 60073. So yep. Saying you what? Bye. I'll see you all later. This is Mr. Nobody. Have a good day. Bye.